Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Da Nang, Vietnam, guys. We got the alien in the house, guys. We absolutely got the alien, and it looks like we got the Debbie Downer bear, guys, because Dino left town because the markets went down, down, and you know what that means? You absolutely know what that means. That means it is a Debbie Downer day. Things are going down, down, and we're got lots to talk about, guys. Absolutely lots to talk about. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So, guys and gals, let's get into the content without any further delay. Let's go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG, with the red bear in the house, guys, and with the alien, guys. You gotta love the alien. I love the alien. So let's go and get it, guys. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, what's going on? Well, I'm gonna tell you why the markets are down right now, and it's no secret that there's a lot of market manipulation going on right now, and that is just not good in house. And I'm seeing that once again we're seeing that only about 4 or 5 hours ago we're seeing that a lot of the leverage traders, we're seeing all these short positions that were accumulating on the 4 hour, and that was looking pretty good. That was creating a short squeeze, and that was pushing the Bitcoin uppity up, and that's not happening right now. That's absolutely not happening right now. So what's happening right now is that the market makers are pushing Bitcoin down because we're seeing that over the last 24 hours, seeing all of these leveraged long positions. So it's this whole seesaw game that's going on with Bitcoin right now, and I hate it, you hate it, but that's life, guys. That's absolute life. Also, we're seeing that the number of Bitcoin addresses that have more than 1,000 Bitcoin has spiked, guys. Absolutely spiked, and I've not seen this before, and this just goes to show that we're seeing a lot of accumulation, and a lot of this accumulation, a lot of this Bitcoin that's been accumulated, over 1,000 Bitcoin addresses have increased, and this is a lot of it is from Russia, guys, because their economy is collapsing, everything is going down, down, and the only reason that they want to accumulate Bitcoin and crypto right now is because it's the only stability out there, because the ruble is absolutely going to the toilet, guys. Flush that ruble down the toilet, guys, and the only thing that is a hedge against inflation or a collapse of their economy and a collapse of their currency is Bitcoin, guys. So this whole conflict in Ukraine right now, it's getting tiring. It's getting really boring out there, but overall it's going to come to an end. But we're seeing that it's been a good stimulus for Bitcoin, and we're seeing that Bitcoin is still being accumulated. The on-chain data is still looking pretty positive for Bitcoin. However, we're still seeing that the price is going down, down. So right now we're seeing that the price of Bitcoin right now is at $38,350 in the house, guys. And the alien says, what is going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with Bitcoin? And the Debbie Downer bear has come to say hello, and I know you guys all love the Debbie Downer bear. And Dino left town. Dino absolutely left town because all the Russians were buying up the Bitcoin, and the market makers, were pushing the bidding down, down. So if you look at the Bitcoin on the daily chart right now, you can see that we have a flash wick to the downside right here, and you can see it exactly. And this is the market makers manipulating the market to get rid of the leverage longs, guys. That's all it is. It's manipulation. It's not because the fundamentals of Bitcoin are bad, not because the fundamentals of crypto is bad. It's just because the market makers want to extract as much liquidity from you out there, the leverage apes and now stop leverage trading. That is a message that I just want to tell everyone. Stop leverage trading. It's totally insane in the membrane. Stop it. But we're seeing that we can see that the Bitcoin pattern right now is forming the bottom part of our W pattern, and often the W pattern is a very bullish pattern in the house, guys. Absolutely very bullish pattern in the house, you know it. And we should be going uppity up, and it looks like that $40,000 is the new resistance level for Bitcoin. But as long as Bitcoin stays within my channel, I'm okay. I'm absolutely okay. I'm not going to panic out there. We're also seeing right now that the miners hash rate has gone down, down. So that is not good at all. We're also seeing that Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal leave Russia and suspends the following services because of the conflict out there. And it looks like Russia is becoming more and more isolated with these sanctions out there. So Putin, if you're watching my video, stop what you're doing. Go back to where you were. Leave the Ukrainians alone. Let them enjoy life as it was before. So guys, let's take a look at heat map. I'm getting a sunburn. The alien's getting a sunburn. I mean, the Debbie Downer bear, he loves it. He's just basking in the redness. So we're seeing that right now the whole crypto space is down, down. To be expected. It's all because of the market makers, not because of some crazy news in the house. It's because the market makers, guys, absolutely the market makers are pushing Bitcoin price down, down, and that's all that that's I gotta say about that. So what can we expect? Can we expect Bitcoin to go up? Yes, we can. It's going to be a seesaw, guys. Absolutely going to be a seesaw. Will we ever get out of this horizontal trap? I call this the horizontal trap. We've just been kind of going range bound, right now between like 38,000 and 42,000, and our holy grail is going to be getting above $45,000 in us. Dogecoin to the moon, guys, and we're going to get there. I think we're going to get there. It's just taking time, guys. It's just taking time. A lot of people have been thinking, crypto's going to collapse March 10th. People saying, crypto's going to collapse. It's going to be a big, giant, huge crash. It's the end of the world. I don't think that's going to happen. Yeah, sure, we may have some volatility. Crypto's going to be volatile. And if it does go down, who cares? I don't care, because I'm a hodler for life, guys. And we could be seeing that crypto is definitely going to be going to go up by the next halving. So if you guys are looking at investing in crypto in a very short time frame, and you think that weeks, days, hours and minutes that you're going to make all your money back or double your money, guys, wake up, get out of there. It's not going to happen. You got to take a long-term view of crypto, and that means sometimes you got to zoom out. Wendy trendy is your friendy, and you just got to wait, guys. So if you bought your crypto higher than it is now, so you got two choices: sell at a loss. I never do that. The OG never sells a lot. This is not financial advice, just FYI. You're just gonna have to wait, guys. You're gonna have to wait, or you can buy the dips to bring down your strike price. Up to you what you want to do. That's what I would do. This is not financial advice. So Visa, MasterCard, they're out of Russia. The other news that's coming, it looks like we're seeing the global commodities are skyrocketing. We're seeing that gold nears 2K, and Musk is in the house, and he's saying, look, we don't need to increase oil and gas output. We're seeing oil and gas also going up like crazy. We're seeing most of the commodities. Well, crypto prices dropped towards the end of the week. Precious metals like gold and silver, energy stocks, global commodities skyrocketed value amid the ongoing war in Ukraine. The price of an ounce of gold was at 2K, guys. Aluminum soared, and we're seeing everything's like breaking records. Nickel's going nuts. So we're seeing that all the commodities are going crazy in the house, and we're probably going to we could be seeing the food prices are going to go up. The CPI is going to be going up. We should have the CPI data coming out soon. That should be around about the 13th of March as well. So we're going to see how we're doing in March. Also, we got the Jeremy Powell in the house. He's definitely going to be increasing the interest rates, and everyone's talking about 0.25 basis points. So we're going to see how that plays out. So we probably could see either a huge dump on the 13th of March when the CPI data comes out, or depending if it's bad. I mean, definitely it's going to be bad, right? It's definitely going to be bad. So we're definitely going to see some dumpage coming in, and we're going to have the 0.25 basis points going up. So yeah, let's see what happens. It's going to be topsy-turvy, but at the end of the day, the market makers, we can see that we have this whole seesaw pattern for Bitcoin. It's just going ding, ding, ding. The market makers push up Bitcoin, eliminate the shorts, push down the Bitcoin, eliminate the longs, and we're just going range bound, guys. We're absolutely been in this range. This is a weekly, right? So we've been in this range like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, over a month, guys and gals, a month we've been stuck in this range, guys. This whole range between it's insane, guys. The whole range between 42 and 38, guys. It's just crazy. We got to break out. Nothing is happening, but this is a consolidation. It's a consolidation. It's like a spring. We're calling up, and it's something's going to break. Something's got to give. It's either going to blast off, or we're just going to collapse down to the basement. Boom! And the only thing that really worries me is if we go down to the $21,000 level, that is a minor capitulation. If we get even close, if we get into the 20s, if we get like the 29, the miners are going to start to go El Panico in the house. And when that happens, they're going to sell their Bitcoin, and that would send the price crashing down to the basement, and you'll be so low you won't even be able to find it. You'll need to get a metal detector to find it. That's how low it's going to get, guys. So it's just craziness in the house. And it looks like, as I talked about earlier, Dogecoin gets a new custodial wallet for iOS. So this is great news. So you can download the new Dogecoin wallet. directly to your iOS. You can keep your Dogecoin right there. It's a custodial wallet, so you don't need it on a centralized exchange or nothing. So it's a good way to save it, guys. I mean, I always prefer, hardware wallets like a Tracer, a Ledger, but this is also another good option. I mean, I have Trust Wallet as well, so this is another good option. You can download it. So what is the Doge wallet delivers? Well, my Doge wallet is a non-custodial social wallet designed for safe storage and trading of the meme coin Doge. So you can use it to trade, guys. You can connect it to DEXs and all that. So this is kind of cool. So this was tweeted out on the 4th of March. So we've got our iOS devices now have a new Dogecoin wallet. So I'm downloading it. I mean, I keep most of my Doge on my Tracer, on my Ledger, guys. So that's what I'm keeping, but I'm going to download it. I'll try it out, guys. I'm not chilling for the Dogecoin wallet, but if the creators built it, it's got to be good, right? It's got to be, they built it first. So guys, jump into that, take a look at that. What else we got going on? It looks like Elon Musk says Starlink will not censor Russian news sources despite government requests. So, one thing, the Musk are in the house, he's for like open communication, freedom of press, and all that kind of stuff. So, even though the Ukraine said, look, we gotta censor the Russian news out there, he's saying, no, we're not going to do that. We have everything open. I love it. You love it. So let's get it, guys. So if you take a look at the total market cap, let me give this a minute refresh. Quick, these guys are fine. Come on, calm down. We know the market's up. We know the market's down. We need the Dino. Get the Dino back. So we're seeing right now the total market cap is down 1.76 trillion in the house, and that's going down. I mean, look at the volumes, guys. Can you see the volumes? The volumes are so low. I cannot believe it. They're so low. I'm not seeing volumes this low. It's almost like, where's everybody? Everybody went to the Mars or what? Everyone left planet Earth because nobody's trading right now at 33.99 billion. We're seeing the Bitcoin down. It says also too high. It's much too high. It's at 41.51 in the house, guys. So we need to come down. We're seeing that the fear and greed is also at 22. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator. When the fear and greed is extreme fear of people like running around, jumping around and losing their coins, blowing their low because they're scared. They're scared that the crypto's going to crash. The end of the world is coming. It's not the end of the world yet. We're not quite there yet. I mean, if Elon Musk has anything about that, it's not going to happen until we all move to Mars, right? So we're seeing that the fear and greed is at 22. It's unchanged from yesterday, and from that perspective, buy the fear, guys. Buy the fear. This is a perfect opportunity, and whenever you see the extreme fear so low like that, I'm buying, guys. Remember, Thursday's my DCA day, so I just can't wait to DCA, guys. So some of the top trading, the aliens attacking me. So some of the top 10 trading volume in the last 24 hours has been Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum in the house, ABC Chain, XRP, Terra, Binance USD Coin, ZBG token. Never heard of ZBG token. It must be like one of the tokens that's like token number 9,999. I haven't heard of that. I haven't heard it. And then Flexcoin. So guys and gals, we still got some volumes out there, but you're seeing that the total volumes are like, where's the volume, guys? Like I said, everybody must be on holiday. Everybody left town. Nobody cares about crypto anymore. Crypto must be boring right now because nobody's trading it, guys and gals. So people are just like, the retail investors, I don't know, they're hiding under rocks. They're absolutely the retail investors are absolutely hiding under rocks because nothing's moving. It's just we're just like this range bound. Bitcoin is range bound. It's like seesaw. And because of that, we're seeing that the Dogecoin is also just kind of range bound. The Shiba is range bound, and all the altcoin cryptocurrencies. It is boring out there. Boring as watching paint dry or watching snow melt, guys. That's so boring. Let me give this a minty refresh to make sure you got all the freshness in us. Freshness. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down 2% in the last 24 hours. It's at 38,367. I mean, it was looking pretty good this afternoon here in Vietnam time. We're like over 39,200, looking pretty good. Maybe we're going to get a breakout downside. But the market makers, they said, no, we're not going to have any of that. Too many long positions. You're out of there. So they dropped it, right? So it's also seeing Ethereum is down 1.53%. We're seeing BNB is down. We're seeing XRP is down. Luna is also down 4% as well. And we're also seeing that Solana is down as well. ADA. 80 is a good pickup under $1. I bought 88 under $1, guys. Think about it. It's not financial advice. We're seeing the Dogecoin is not doing too bad. It's only down not even 1%. So it's definitely outperforming the Biddy right now. So that's pretty good. Dogecoin holding its own, and we're seeing that the Shiba is also doing not so good, is not so bad compared to Bitcoin. Get your words right, guys. I remember I got this metal plate here. I had like, 14 stitches on the outside, on the inside, ouch. So sometimes I like get too crazy, it's like, I got the pain. Like I just did it. I just hit the pain threshold right there. So we're seeing all the altcoins are down, down. So that is not good in the house, guys. So also we're seeing this, guys. The number of addresses holding at least 1,000 Bitcoin has hit the highest level in 11 months. Woo. And what that means is I believe, and a lot of people are saying, and I believe the data points to that, is that we're seeing that this sudden spike. And if you look at the chart, it kind of goes like this. See, ping! Wow! I got that in my eye. Is because of all the Russian population and a lot of the oligarchs are buying Bitcoin like crazy right now. Remember, they can buy it through OTC, not through exchanges. Bing! So that's what's going on because the ruble is going down, down. Worse than the Titanic. Worse than the Titanic. We're seeing also, we're still seeing that we're in this super trend. As long as Bitcoin holds above 29.2, it will flip red. So as long as we stay above the 29.2, if BTC were to close below 29.2, then we're going to go red. Ting, and we're out of there. In 2011, 2018, when it flipped red, it was the beginning stages of the bear market. The Debbie Downer bear market. So we don't want to see that. So, we need to make sure that we stay above that. And that we need to do that. So keep an eye on the Bitcoin monthly chart. And as long as we stay above 29.2, we'll be okay. Be okay. So keep an eye on that. Write that down. We're also seeing, as I said earlier, the Bitcoin mining difficulty drops for the first time since November 2021. So that is not good because often the Bitcoin mining difficulty or hash rate is often indicative of the price of Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is going down, and we need hopefully that will recover soon. So let's take a look at my Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin on the moon, guys. If I haven't said that enough, Dogecoin on the moon. The Dogecoin right now is at 12.20. We got some support. The purple rain line support is at 12 cents, so we're still above that, and we got some overhead resistance at 13. So it is what it is. As long as we don't drop down to 9 cents, we'll be okay. So we're just kind of going sideways. We're doing the crab walk, SpongeBob, SquarePants, crab walk. So Shiba Weeby right now is trading at 23.73, and that is also down. But we're actually in this channel here that ranges between 25.45 and 22. So it is what it is, guys. It's kind of fundamentally boring. We're seeing Ethereum is also going sideways right now. It's at $2,600 in the house, and at least it's on the upper side of the channel. We got some really good support. I mean, some new support has been forming around about this area here. So that is looking pretty good. We got some support around about this area, which is around the 25.82 area. So that is, get at it, get out of the chart. Okay, there we go. Stop looking at computer OG. So we got some support around about 25.82, 25.82 in the house. So that is some good support area. So hopefully that support area will hold. If not, we're going to go down to 2,200. And the $2,200 level is a very significant level because if we go below $2,200, it's bad news. Bear for Ethereum. So this is all downward pressure because of Bitcoin prices going down. We're seeing right now Solana is at 86.49. We're still above our $80 purple line, and that's a line in the sand, guys. And we have some overhead resistance at around about $95 in the house. So yeah, it is what it is. It's kind of, crypto's getting really kind of sad out there. Whoa, look at Phantom. Phantom took a dumpity dump. The Phantom just went down almost 12%. Wow. That is not good in the house. I don't know what caused that. I need to check back in the next video. I'll let you know why Phantom's taking a dump. And Phantom is at 145 in the house. Now we have our next level of support is at 132. So hopefully we can stay above the 132 level. If not, we go down. It's not going to be good. We could be going down. So Phantom is not looking good. So with that being said, we're going to end it right here, guys. Go and follow me on my Twitter. We got 4,075 people following on Twitter. Go down there, DM me if you got any questions. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, guys. Come on, smash the likes and subscribe, YB. Don't forget to comment and spread this. Get this video out there. Get it out there. Get it out there. Giddy up and get it out there. Don't forget to go and check out all the links. The links are below, guys. Go check out the links below. You're going to love it. And don't forget to buy the channel a coffee. Become a Patreon member. Do it right now. The alien wants you to do it. I want you to do it. Everybody wants you to do it. And don't forget to go out and check if you like the channel, go over there and subscribe. We want you to go over there and subscribe right there. Go do it. Go do it right now. Check it. And guys and gals, don't forget to go and get the merch. Gear up with the OG merch. Do you know you're not supposed to be here? It's a Debbie Downer Day. You can't be on the video. No. He got confused. Where's the there? Yeah. Okay, we got go get the merch. Gear up with the OG merch, guys. You guys want it. I want it. So, guys, that's gonna bring this to an end. I want to say I love you guys. I love it. God bless each and every one. I love the community. I love you guys like crazy. I just want to make it a little bit fun and crazy because I know a lot of you Debbie Downer. Don't panic, guys. Worst case scenario, you're gonna wait till 2025. It's not a big deal. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Boom! And we'll see you in the next video in a couple more hours. Okay? Peace out. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!